Alright Speed Society fam, you ready for a ride that's straight up legendary and totally insane? Today we're looking at the 2025 Triumph Rocket 3 Evel Knievel Edition, and yeah, it's exactly as badass as it sounds. This isn't just a motorcycle. It's a tribute to the most fearless daredevil in American history, packed into the most powerful production cruiser on the planet. With over 2,500 cubic centimeters of pure British muscle, wrapped in stars, stripes, and Evel Knievel swagger, this beast isn't just made to cruise, it's made to make a statement. If torque had a heartbeat, this would be it. So strap in, crack your knuckles, and get ready to meet the wildest rocket ever built. Legacy of Triumph Rocket 3 Evel Knievel. The Triumph Rocket 3 Evel Knievel Edition is more than just a motorcycle, it's a celebration of rebellion and audacity. Evel Knievel's death-defying stunts and larger-than-life persona left an indelible mark on motorcycle culture, and this bike channels that energy into every curve and component. Triumph has meticulously crafted this limited edition model to reflect Knievel's iconic red, white, and blue livery, complete with bold graphics and signature details that scream nostalgia. But this isn't just a retro throwback, it's a modern beast with the soul of a legend. The Rocket 3 Evel Knievel is designed to turn heads, dominate roads, and remind riders of the golden era of motorcycle daredevils. Design and aesthetic. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2025 Rocket 3 Evel Knievel, it's clear that this bike is something extraordinary. The paint scheme is a direct nod to Knievel's famous jumpsuit, with vibrant red, white, and blue stripes running along the fuel tank and fenders. The bodywork is aggressive yet sleek, with a muscular stance that commands attention. Custom badging, Evel Knievel's signature, and a star-spangled theme elevate the bike's visual appeal. The attention to detail is staggering, right down to the stitching on the seat and the anodized finishes on the controls. The bike sits on massive wheels, with a low-slung profile that emphasizes its power. Every angle of the Rocket 3 Evel Knievel tells a story, blending vintage inspiration with contemporary flair. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Rocket 3 Evel Knievel lies Triumph's legendary 2,500 cubic centimeters inline-3 engine, now tuned for even more explosive performance. This powerhouse delivers a staggering 180 horsepower and 165 lb-ft of torque, making it one of the most potent production cruisers on the planet. The acceleration is brutal yet controlled, with a deep, resonant exhaust note that echoes Knievel's thunderous persona. Triumph has refined the engine mapping for smoother power delivery, ensuring that whether you're cruising the highway or launching off the line, the bike responds with precision. The Rocket 3's engineering isn't just about raw power, it's about harnessing that power in a way that feels exhilarating yet manageable. Technology and features. The 2025 Rocket 3 Evel Knievel isn't just a brute, it's packed with cutting-edge technology to enhance the riding experience. A full-color TFT display provides all essential information at a glance, with customizable layouts to suit rider preferences. Multiple riding modes, including rain, road, sport, and a special Knievel mode, adjust throttle response and traction control for varying conditions. Cornering ABS and lean-sensitive traction control ensure stability, while cruise control and keyless ignition add modern convenience. The LED lighting system is both stylish and functional, with adaptive headlights that improve visibility. Bluetooth connectivity allows for smartphone integration, so riders can access navigation and music seamlessly. This bike proves that old-school attitude and modern tech can coexist perfectly. Handling and comfort. Despite its colossal size, the Rocket 3 Evel Knievel handles with surprising agility. The chassis is engineered to balance weight distribution, making it nimble through corners while remaining stable at high speeds. The suspension setup, fully adjustable show of forks at the front and a monoshock at the rear, absorbs bumps effortlessly, ensuring a smooth ride even on rough surfaces. The ergonomics are designed for long-distance comfort, with a slightly forward-leaning riding position that reduces strain on the wrists and back. The seat is plush yet supportive, and the handlebars are positioned for optimal control. Whether carving through mountain roads or cruising on the interstate, the Rocket 3 Evel Knievel delivers a ride that's as comfortable as it is thrilling. Riding experience. Swinging a leg over the Rocket 3 Evel Knievel is an event in itself. The engine roars to life with a growl that promises excitement, and the instant torque means every twist of the throttle is met with relentless acceleration. The bike feels planted yet lively, encouraging spirited riding without sacrificing confidence. The exhaust note is intoxicating, a deep bellow that turns heads wherever you go. The sheer presence of the machine is undeniable. It's a bike that demands respect and rewards boldness. Whether you're blasting down a straightaway or leaning into a sweeping curve, the Rocket 3 Evel Knievel delivers an experience that's both visceral and refined. Upgrades. The Evel Knievel Edition isn't just a cosmetic package, it comes with several performance and aesthetic upgrades over the standard Rocket 3. The suspension is retuned for a sportier feel, and the exhaust system is optimized for a more aggressive sound. Lightweight forged wheels reduce unsprung weight, improving handling, while premium Brembo brakes provide exceptional stopping power. The seat is redesigned for better support, and the paintwork is a step above with hand-applied detailing. Who is this for? The Triumph Rocket 3 Evel Knievel is for riders who want more than just transportation, they want a statement. It's for those who appreciate the legacy of Evel Knievel and the raw power of Triumph's engineering. Pricing and availability. As a limited edition model, the Rocket 3 Evel Knievel comes with a premium price tag, expected to start around $28,000. Production numbers will be restricted, adding exclusivity to its appeal. Final thoughts. That's the 2025 Triumph Rocket 3 Evel Knievel Edition, bold, brutal, and built to honor a legend who feared nothing. This isn't just about numbers or specs, it's about attitude, heritage, and pushing limits every time you twist the throttle. With Evel's spirit in its paint and a monster engine at its core, this Rocket 3 is a two-wheeled salute to going big or going home. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Is this the ultimate power cruiser or just too wild for the streets? Hit that like button, subscribe for more insane machines, and don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss what's coming next. You're tuned into Speed Society, where legends live loud, and the ride never stops.